dish. Just for you.
You know what we should do?
What's that?
We should cook up a wrap.
A wrap?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like some Run BLT?
Yeah, boy! BLT, take care, boy! We want you ain't had no back up and you never most of us if you like it that way.
cooking up front. Let's see what we got going in the oven.
Stuff in the oven.
Oh, mine is done. It's a brown barrel.
I had no idea this was in my range.
Mine's barely cooked.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, boy.
Heck. What do you say, Smokes?
Sure, yeah.
I'll get it.
Why didn't the lobster have any friends?
I don't know. Why?
It's because he was shellfish. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you. It's okay to laugh.
All right, okay. What do you call a bagel that can fly?
I know. What?
A plain bagel. Please put all of your receipts in trays and they're locked in upright positions.
They're not going to get there.
Hi, everybody. What do you call a fake noodle?
I don't know. What?
Wasabi!
Oh!
All right, no more jokes, I promise. Here we go. Enjoyed a taste of the Epcot International Food and Wine Festival. Have a great day, everybody!
Have a great time.
Friends, thank you for being part of this performance from the Jammitors. Enjoy the rest of your day